So you're trying to grow a garden.
You buy the pots, the soil, the seeds, and plant your flowers.
And for a while, it works. But things start to go wrong.
Maybe you live in a city and you run out of room.
Or it's just been cloudy for a while and there isn't enough sunlight.
Honestly, growing healthy plants is just plain hard to do.
But you're not alone. We think we have a solution.
Let's garden together.
There are hundreds, thousands of other people with their own gardens and plants, each with their own strengths and weaknesses.
What if we connected them? What if they could help each other out?
That's how we came up with seed.
We started with a hydroponic system. Self-contained, self-watering, self-lighting. Ideally, it would have everything, from pH to temperature control.
Now multiply that by 100, 1,000, a million. A seed in every home.
We connect them to the cloud. People rate their plants on how healthy they are, and our server listens.
The server crunches the numbers using an algorithm called gradient descent.
Basically, it's trying to see the best way to grow your plant, based on how similar plants are doing.
To prove that this idea would actually work, we decided to perform an experiment over the course of a month.
Our ideal system with pH sensors and temperature control sounds great. But our first concern was to prove our core solution was valid.
With a limited amount of time and resources, our ideal system wasn't feasible.
So we pared it down. We picked a hardy plant, in this case, common ivy. We focused our control on lights, water, and nutrients. We decided to design it with 4 plants into one system to increase our sample size.
We also planted one the old-fashioned way, just to see how it would compare.
We designed our enclosure to fit our material specifications using 3D modeling tools.
After modeling our system physically, we needed to know how it would perform mathematically. After running many simulations, our idea seemed plausible.
And finally, we created the server and website. We needed to make something that could communicate effectively with both users and plants.
After all that simulation, we built it. And it worked.
We ran 2 experiments over the course of almost 2 months. We set custom parameters for our plants and let them learn.
And we measured the plant health by how green the plants were, the number of leaves they grew, and how big they were. Things like that.
In the end, we collected as much data as we could. We processed it, visualized it, and put it up for everyone else to see.
Our sample size was small, and our time was limited, so it's tough to say that 100% of the time, seed will grow the healthiest plants.
But it looks promising. The plants we grew are looking fantastic.
Seed. Feed yourself. Feed the network.